Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use eraser in Snapedit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to erase any of the objects from your image in Snapedit, you just simply have to open your Snapedit application at first, and after opening the Snapedit application, you have to tap into this Start Editing button. Then after tapping into there, you just simply have to select any of the image where you want to erase the objects, and after that you have to tap into this remove objects option, and then just simply select this brush option and select the object which you want to erase. In my case, I would like to erase this moon into here. Now I just simply select all of the object with my brush which I want to erase and then tap into remove button. Then after that, the object will successfully be erased from the image. This way you can also use eraser in Snapedit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.